Everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam, and today I have a pretty big haul for you. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, at least 8 things to show you today.
So would you consider this a U-Haul?
Well, they're always a U-Haul. So I'm going to start out with, here it is. So we know in my last hauls was showing you my awesome haul from Coach with the denim, and here's my little denim guy. And right now I'm using the large Rowan, the Rowan 30. I still have this little mini baby here, and like I said, I was just in love with that.
That drop?
Yes, the denim. So I bought a few other Coach items, and let's see. And I'm so glad I bought this one. Just came today, so I'm opening it right in front of you. Because Ed from Ed Braun has it, and he already put it on his Rowan, and it looks really awesome. So it's going on mine. But I was able to get, okay, to kind of take the fun out of this. But I got the little Rowan coin, the little denim coin purse. So it's just like, it's got a half zip in it. And this, too, comes with the little cherries. You're not going to be able to see them because they're all in their wrappers right now. But this has the little cherries, too, on it. And I'm going to just hang this off the Rowan, and it's going to look fantastic. I could put it on here, too. But I think it's, especially with all the paper.
Probably look better without the paper.
Right, but it's a little big as far as I'm concerned for that. So I got that one. But that's not all. Because, see, I bought these items before I knew I was going to get the other items, because I thought everything was sold out
so
on the website.
So you had FOMO.
And, well, no, but I got something that I hadn't planned on getting, because I wanted to get something. And I got
another bag charm?
This little baby Rowan. So I can make nesting dolls. I could put this one inside this one, and they both fit inside the big one. And this also has still...
So you can be like Winnie and her big booty Judy.
Right. Only make it my big booty Judy is my Rowan.
Right.
And, but look, it's even got the Vachetta. And this also has the little cherry charms. They're in there or in here or here. They're somewhere here. That's the pull.
We can see the cherries. You keep covering them up. You had it on the right side.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, Lord.
It's hard. But look at all the little cherries. And you can fit stuff in this. I mean, you could fit... Okay, they're put together now, but you could probably fit a couple...
Tic Tacs.
Yeah, Tic Tacs. No, but look at this big ball of stuff, see? There's a lot in there. Look at all this. Look at all this.
She's turning the little bag into a little clown car.
Yeah, so... but it's nice size. I mean...
Nice size for a bag charm.
Yeah. So I got this. So yeah, I got the one I can fit... I can fit this one and this one and this one inside the bigger one. And then, because I got all that stuff, I needed a medium-sized one. So I picked up this one. So this one's in between this one and the Rowan 30. But I'm using that one right now, so I don't have that up here. But I got this. I was in there, and I was looking at all the denim stuff. And I thought this was beautiful. The red is just like the perfect red. It's a bluish red, so there's a lot of blue in here. And that's the color red that I like. So I got this one. Does this have, was this like what? A Rowan, I don't know what size? Just bold red. But yeah, I really like these. And I would have probably preferred gold hardware. But the cool thing is, the only other real red bag I have is my red Alma. And that has silver hardware. So this one has gold. So now I'll have red with silver and red with gold. It comes with a removable, adjustable strap. And then the interior looks like I'm going to go with dark brown with a slip pocket here and then a zipper pocket here. So I got this. I just couldn't resist it. I do really like these pockets on the back too. I think they're nice. So I got that because, like I said, I was all in the mood for the denim and then the red with the cherries. And, well, then because I got that, I had to get something from the cherry drop. So I got the little quarter zip to go. Isn't it so nice? That can go in there. And see, look at, I could even use my little bag charm on here because the cherries would look good together, right?
Are you asking or telling?
Yes. But yeah, so I could put that on there if I wanted. So I got that. Thought that was nice. Then, again, because I didn't know I was going to go in store to look for the Rowans until I found out my store had them, I bought something else online too because I wanted something from the Cherries line, but I didn't really know that I wanted a bag or anything. So I bought this little bag charm right here with the cherries on it. I like it because it's like 3D. Like, see? Can you?
It's not 3D.
Can you tell? So I got this, and this has silver hardware on it, which I prefer. So I got my little cherries, and I don't mind mixing metals at all. Like, I could do that, but my plan still is for this, I would put that like on here or on, although this one has gold hardware, or on the Rowan. Rowan has gold hardware too. No matter what, it's going to clash. It's all right. Not clash. Mix. It's going to mix my metals.
It's going to clash.
It's going to mix metals. This is so cute.
So how come that one has 3 and most of the other ones only have 2?
3 cherries? I don't know, because they wanted something different. I don't know. That's a good question. But I love these. So that's what I got from there. Let's see. Then oh, no, there's something else from Coach too. They just had these. They get you when you walk up there. They had this sitting there. And I just watched Autumn's video about how places were doing food bags and food charms and everything. And they had this little Coach soda. And I'm like, oh, I totally got to get that. And this is all Autumn's fault. So if you want to add her another check mark by her name. Dawn's getting excited because she feels like she's catching up with Autumn. But, yeah, now, see, it was a bad thing before. Now it's something that people aspire to get higher up on the list.
Fascinating.
See what you started? Isn't that, it even sparkles. The top of the straw sparkles. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it does. So, I got that. I thought it was so cute. Oh, the Coach even sparkles, the blue. Can you tell or no? No. Okay, so I got that. Speaking of sparkling, I finished my project that I started. I showed this in my what's in my bag when I did my bag swap. But I have stuff in here now, so it's all squished. It's bent out. You would think that a container this big could easily fit my key fob in it. And look at what it looks like. That's all that's in here. I don't have like a ton of crap sitting in here. Okay, that's not true. There's 2 keys in there too, but you know how small keys are. This! So you get this nice pouch that looks even nicer now because it's all strassed out. Yes, I did do it myself. And that you can see, right?
No.
I couldn't sew. But, so this big of a pouch, I'm just slipping this little thing in here. Granted that the other thing that is in here, but this isn't going to make a difference. That was in there too, but let's shove this in here now. Try to shove it in here.
It lost its elasticity when it got strassed out.
I mean, look at that. It's all wonk. It's all wonky. I'm doing a new word, wonk. Instead of wonky, it's all wonk. It's like what the cool kids do. They make up words and use them. That's
No,
what
they
I'm doing.
don't.
And did you say don't do that? Oh, I got a little bit of stuff in here. But yeah, I used this stuff. Winnie BLV, it said what she did to strass out some boots she had and some other things. So I bought the glue she bought on Amazon. And then the first go around, I bought little rhinestones with a flat bottom. The flat bottom of the rhinestone was silver.
Flat bottom girls.
So you couldn't see the bag underneath. So I had to take off the ones that I put. I knew it when I was putting them on. I'm like, you're never going to be able to see the bag. And after I put about 10 on, I'm like, okay, dummy, it didn't work. Do you know how many are on here, too? I bought a little package of them, figuring they'd be plenty, because there was 1,100 in a package. I had to open a second package. And I did a whole side, and then about this much of another side, just right here. And then I still had to do all those. So I would say that there is approximately, gotta be darn near 2,000 little things on here. And it was fun doing it. I loved it. I didn't do the edges. I could, but I liked kind of keeping the orange there so you can kind of see better what color it was. But I did that. And then now, since we were speaking about strassing and then we were speaking about bag charms, does this look familiar to anybody? Look at how nice, again, this comes packaged. And this I found even cheaper. Paid $5 for this on Amazon. It came in plastic. Came in a beautiful little box. And I got a brother.
Oh, Lord.
For the other robot. So, the robot's on my orange bag right now, but the another one needed it. So, I got another one. I got that. So, and this even has cush on here. Like, to keep it nice.
So he was comfortable in transit?
Right. So, $5. I got another robot. And then, I saw this. This one didn't come as nice. It's just in a little flouncy little paper package. And this one cost more. This was like $7. But I got, this must be their cousin. But I'll go with this one. Like antique gold. Can you see him?
Yeah, your middle finger's blocking his face.
That's because I'm oh no. You see him?
Uh-huh.
But I got his little cousin, so he's smaller. He's got little jewels in his eyes, though.
Actually, those are lasers.
Oh, sorry. He's got laser eyes, and I think that it goes this... Oh, let me see. I'll know for sure, because how the feet go. Yeah, that is his belly button. It's a little belly button, his little feet.
It's actually lower.
So this one's a little smaller than this one. I think. Yeah, it is. This one's smaller. This one was more money. This one doesn't have laser eyes.
It's a big upgrade.
But they're so cute. I'm sorry. I got obsessed with little robot charms. So now I got to put this on one and then this on one. And that's what I have. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. I'm sorry. I'm just so excited about my little things. And I have no idea why I like those damn robot charms so much. I'm telling you, I used the bag I wanted to put the charm on immediately after I bought that silver charm, the first one. So it's on my my Celine Nano Tote. I'll be putting that one probably. I think I'm putting that one on one of my La Tanière bags that are over there, and then I'm not quite sure where I'll put this one yet. That has the more like antique color, but. Something happened to me. Something happened.
You were dropped on your head.
No, it wasn't recent.
Oh.
I mean, it was recent, but that little robot, it just did something to me. I don't like bag charms. I normally don't like bag charms that much. I like bag charms, but it's not like a thing. Like I go out of my way to get them, and all of a sudden. I'm all about the bag charms. I got the cherry charm. I got the Coke charm. I got the little pouch charm. I got the little mini Rowan charm. And oh man, you know what else I wanted? I have kept myself away from this for so long. But now I'm even looking at the Labubu things. Oh, I gotta hide my face. I want a Labubu charm. I didn't want to... It's all the robot's fault. Does the robot go on the list?
Very possibly.
Yeah, I think maybe. But that's it. That's what I have for you guys for today. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I generally put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And then on Thursdays, usually every other Thursday, I put out a book-related video. It's mainly featuring books I've hauled, books I've read, what I've been reading, what I want to read, what's coming out. Just some stuff revolving around kind of books. So if you don't like that, you don't need to watch the Thursday videos. I've been starting to put out videos on Mondays or Tuesdays that are bag swap videos. So I swap out my bag of the week for my next bag of the week. When I do that, I usually give you a little bit of information of the bag I'm coming out of, the bag I'm going into, and then I swap my SLGs, so you get to see those. And again, I will tell you little bits about both. I do have a ton of SLGs, and so some people like that, getting to kind of see the wear and tear on them, how they work, good, bad, ugly, about them. So I've been doing those on Mondays and Tuesdays, and people have really been liking those. So I will be keeping up on doing that. I do put out content on Instagram. I'm over there at James Jam as well. It's JAME_S_Jam. Usually I put out a reel every week showing you my bag of the week and the SLGs that I'm using with it. Or I do pictures of me like with a bag in it, if I match my bags, which I don't always. Actually, speaking of which, I probably should take a picture of me with the Rowan, because this kind of matches, because I got denim and my shirt. But yeah, if you hit the little bell notification, it'll notify you every time I put up a video. And let's see, a video coming up on Saturday that's going to be a collab that's Valentine's themed. And then who knows, it's always something new and fun. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave a comment down in the comments below. I really appreciate those. Helps me get to know all of you just a little bit better. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.